What's up, it's your boy Famous J, man. Back at it with another reaction video, bro. Well, I always say, this channel get hotter than hot sauce. Get the popping like popcorn without the butter. No diddy. Hey, man, if y'all haven't already, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Like, this video really crazy. I'm finna watch. I can tell by the title. It's a Glock G47 is stolen. I don't even know what a G47 Glock look like, but we finna see what it look like today. But if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure y'all watch the whole video, because we finna get in tune with what's going on, bro, in the world that we live in. You feel me? If you haven't already, go to my Discord. It's on the community page. We trying to get lit over there. You know what I'm saying? We got 3 people in there. You know what I'm saying? We got 3 lit people in there, bro. We need y'all to go join that Discord, bro. And once I join that Discord, I'm gonna start doing some Twitch, and I'm gonna start, you know what I'm saying, going out Chicago and start, you know what I'm saying, trying to find, you know, basically like Chicago influences and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Trying to run to that. You know what I'm saying? Ask some questions in public vlogs. But I need y'all to go to the Discord and join and get it busting in there. You know what I'm saying? I need everybody go join, bro. Tell your friend, cousin, all that stuff, bro. Y'all can share TikToks in there. Motivational stuff. I also give out tips on like social media, even like financial stuff like that. Just to get each other on the same path. And we just trying to motivate each other to be great. With that being said, man, let's get into the thing. Let's get into the thing, man. So that is what you could, yeah. So we're saying keep it put together, you got no pressure, right? My dress getting long, ain't gonna lie. First of all, COVID over with. Alright, let's start there. COVID's not coming back. It's not here. I don't know if it's coming back, but it's not here yet. If this video is not shot in 2020 around that area or that area code, that's the area code, around that area time, around that aura, bro should not have a COVID mask on. But he might be a what is called germaphobe. He might be a germaphobe. I think y'all think I don't know. He don't look suspicious though. Like, you know what I'm saying? He might get a couple 100,000 in the bag. You feel me? He might get a couple 100,000 in the bag. You know what I'm saying? I think he gonna buy the gun. Like, I feel like he got enough money on to buy all the guns in that store. You feel me? You feel me? Bro came in there with a duffel bag full of money, book bag full of money. He ain't gotta steal. Why I think black people gotta steal? Bro, we got money. We need you so and so. You got money on. You ain't gotta steal or kill. He looking. He like, oh, okay. Either way you choose. Hey, if y'all know somebody that own a gun store, or if you watching this video and you own a gun store, is this giving like red flags? Like, do y'all like know how to like find, like, y'all know how to look out for stuff like this? Like, do this look like something y'all look out for? Like, do he look like he suspicious or something like that? Like, that's for the people that got a gun shop. Gun shop owners, let me know. Tag a gun shop owner right now. Like, I got dressed with coconut water. It's good for you. It's time. I said all the time, but it's true. Alright, he's looking. I don't think he found what he wanted yet. You know, I like how, you know what I'm saying, he came in. It's about a minute in the video. It might be busy, but nobody haven't helped this man out yet. You know what I'm saying? Nobody came up and approached him and said, hey, how you doing? You know what I'm saying? You know, he really just by himself. You know what I'm saying? I see everybody else getting customer service. That's probably why you feel me, did what he did. I don't know if he did it for real. I haven't watched the video, but what title we so high. Leading up to the what is it called? Leading up to the reason. He really looking like, bro. Somebody help him out. What if he just jumped over this, took every gun on that wall, like 3 of them bad boys, and then ran? I think he'd get out. Unless somebody that's like trying to Superman attack on him. There we go. There we go. We got somebody. About time, man. We got somebody to help this man out, bro. He's trying to get a Glock. You feel me? Let this man help this man out. Oh, he's not even helping. He on the phone. What's going on? Hey, y'all think he really trying to? Y'all think bro right here really trying to find a gun? Or y'all think he just came to go look for him? You think he just spying on him? I don't know, bro. I feel like bro just came behind from back there somewhere. And he just walked up and he got the fake on the phone call, bro. He hit one of them fake phone calls. Y'all know I hit one of them fake phone calls, so don't act like y'all did, bro. Y'all be trying to, you feel me, eavesdrop and you know what I'm saying? Faking it. But he know, bro. Look how he looking. He like, bro, he might be on to me. See, that's that right, that face right there, like he must be on to something. Now he looking around. Oh, he looking. He looking. He looking. He knows something. He looking around for cameras for sure. He definitely looking around for cameras. Chat. We were there during the last break. Okay, nobody helping this man now, bro. Nobody helping this man out at all. There was like over 80,000 people in Franklin Street doing Halloween. And they finally he haven't even said nothing to nobody. Like when I go look for shoes, it don't take this long for me. You know what I'm saying? I'll leave, hey, what size are these in? I can size these. Are these? You feel me? They got down to about 40,000 people. Might be different for a gun store. I mean, the door. I mean, look at it. If he was to steal, bro, that's like a decent run to the front door. I ain't gonna lie. He have to run from here all the way to here. I don't know if he's gonna make it out. He's still a Glock. He gotta make it out, bro. He gotta make it out because if he hit anything around here, bro, you smoke. You smoke. You definitely caught. You can't hit. You can't bump him. You gotta go straight through there and out that back door. You can't touch nothing, or else you going to our ass to jail. Don't steal. Y'all don't steal. Please don't steal. Cause when you trying to steal something, you get caught, bro. You just 10 times. Say it. Alright, let's get to him. Alright, nobody helped him out. Nobody walked up to him yet. He ain't say nothing to nobody yet. So I guess, you know what I'm saying, if you walk to a store unapproachable, you ain't gonna get approached. He looking at the big guns, bro. Dang, bro, he ain't got. Let me see. It's almost. Bro, haven't got no customer service. Okay. Dang, he ain't get no customer service till 4 minutes of the video. I wouldn't be mad. I would have broke them glass and took every Glock in there and put it in my bag. Okay. I thought we've got a lot here as far as anything with assault rifles gonna be. The ARs, these are 308. Hey, he's still an AR, he bold. Yeah, bro, still an AR, he bold. I ain't gonna lie. And we got the micro. If he escaped with an AR, let him keep it. That's micro. Sure, you got the driver's license. You got a Floyd card? Is that what they call it, Floyd card, right? Yeah, it's called a Floyd card. Your address is? But what is it? 201. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Whatever he had, it gave him access to see a gun. Oh, but my heart beating fast. I don't know why. Nah, chat. If he take that gun and run out this store, police might just be on his ass. That's a big gun, my boy. You run out the store with that. Somebody might think you just came out of there and did some damage on somebody, bro. You run out of there with a gun like that, somebody might think you just sent somebody to the gulag, bro. Okay. My nigga done put a glove on, boy. My nigga just turned to Michael Jackson in the gun store. My nigga say, What would y'all do?
You guys busy today? I'm pretty busy.
Oh boy.
My position myself, man. Not looking good. What year was Mickey Mouse? I mean, what year?
Not this year. Everything on this wall is new this year. Okay. Yes. I'm allowed to do one gun at a time. I'm like a jewelry store gun. That's a 47 9mm.